Hey traders, how you doing? Rick here with Hit and Run Candlesticks. Hey, this is, what is today? It's Wednesday, December 11th, 2024. A few things I want to share with you tonight. We're going to look at the market, see how everything's doing, what I have to think about it. But a couple things tomorrow might be important for you is we're having an open house. Anybody's invited, come on over. Tomorrow from 8:45 a.m. is when we start to 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time, market hours. There'll be a link in the, the comments below, or the, that chat below the YouTube video. There'll be a link in there. I invite you to come over. Would appreciate it if you're not doing anything. Also, whoops, let me fix this. Sorry about that. I also want to share this with you, and this is totally free, man. You don't have to sign up for anything. You don't have to put your name down anywhere. You don't have to do anything like that. It's just down in the comment section of the video. Go drop down and look down in there. There's a link, and it's for the calculator. And this is the coolest thing. You can put in your balance, your account balance, whatever you have. Say you have $5,000, okay? It tells you how much money you need to net a day, a week, a month to double your money. Now look, I'm not promoting double your money or anything right here. I just a great calculator. Just to plug in any number you want, hit enter, and boom. It also has a position sizing calendar, okay? So you can put how much you want to spend on a position. This one's, well, maybe you want to spend 9%. Just put 9, hit enter, and it means you can spend $450 per position. Come on in the room tomorrow. I'll show you how I use this and how I use it for my Road to Wealth account to, double my money, and, how I do everything there. So if you're not doing anything tomorrow, come on in. If you can't or don't come into the room tomorrow, it's absolutely free, download or don't download. This is not downloadable. It's just a link. It's in the chat down there, all right? So grab that link, paste it someplace so you can keep it, and you can always come to this every day, 10 times a day if you want, and you can figure out your positioning sizes and, what it does take to actually meet your goals, okay? Anyway, one last thing. If you don't know this, did you know that at 8:45 every morning, East Coast time, I do a live webinar with YouTube. I do it it's on Facebook as well, and X. But YouTube, you can ask questions. But if you'll be notified when I come on if you've subscribed to our channel and hit that bell. You've got to click that bell. I learned that just today. So if you've subscribed and you're not getting alerted, I guess you need to go back and click on that bell, and then you will be alerted when I go live on YouTube. And for whatever it's worth, I go live every day at 8:45 Eastern till about 10 minutes after 9. And we talk about the market, some charts and whatnot. So I hope you can come on and do that. Now, let's take a look at the market, okay? Thanks for listening so far. The SPY is bullish. It looks good. We still need to get over 608.95 here, these highs. We still need to do that. I think there may be some problems going on. We'll see, okay? I cautioned everybody, just be cautious today. Going a little bit forward, there's some things in the market that that are just not making sense, and we need to figure that out, all right? So for instance, if you look at the SPY here, which is heavily loaded with tech, but if you come over here to the RSP, whoops, try that again, RSP, there we go. And this is the equal weighted S&P 500. That's not looking so good. That's not looking good at all. So we need to be a little careful, okay? Let's take a look at the Qs. Go Qs. Look, the market can go up, and I don't care if it's, a handful of stocks taking it up. And that's okay. But we need to be careful as we move forward. It's very tradable. There's pockets out there that's very tradable. And this might be a good time to even look at some shorts because there's some other things in the market that aren't doing so well. Diamonds, they're not doing so well. They're not coming up at all with, say, the SPY, which is heavily loaded in the Q, or with tech and the Qs. If we take a look at IWM, it's not bad, but it's not good. We need those Qs to pop up, IWM, to pop up over that 240 area. Let's take a look at the transports. Not good. This is not a good sign. Transports are weak. Let's take a look at SMH. Whoops, SMH. There we go. Nah, we'll see. It's actually still in a downtrend. It is trying to bottom out here. We do have a bullish Aromi today. Let's see if it can pull itself up. It needs to pull itself up over that 50 period moving average and that red line. Now, if that happens, okay, SMH could be on fire. That could help the market out. Take a look at FNGU, which is the top, the top tech stocks. And it's up sweet. If we look at MAGs, the MAG 7, it's rocking. So all doing pretty good. Take a look at the VIX. Not really showing any fear whatsoever. We're trying to get a few little bullish candlesticks down here, but until we get follow through up, VIX is it's a candle with no flame yet. So we're watching it. We'll keep an eye on it. I'll certainly post to everybody if there's a problem coming in the VIX. Let's take a look at our T2123 down here. Not good on the 15 minute. Not good on the 60 minute. Now, with T2123, it's looking at the broad market. So the Qs can be going up. They can be very, very bullish, and this can be going down, which just tells me that the broader market is pretty weak here. Now, here's something else I want to show you. Let me get it pulled up. Hang on with me. I wasn't planning on showing this right now, but we will show it here. Darn it, where is it? Oh, there it is. Okay, so let's take a look at this. And then here's the bearish right here, okay? Now I want to show you something. Come on. There we are. You see this? This is set up so that it shows the S&P 500, the SPY, stocks that meet my bullish criteria based on my road to wealth trend. And then over here are stocks that meet my bearish criteria. Bullish on this one. Bearish on this one meets my road to wealth bearish criteria. And if you look at that, there's 134 stocks that meet my bullish criteria and 254 stocks that meet my bearish criteria. That's lopsided. That's not good. So as we went into the close today, I just simply cautioned everybody that there's pockets out there can be traded long. There's pockets out there that can be traded short. Make sure you're in the right pocket at the right time. That's what's important here, okay? So with that said, I don't want to keep everybody tonight. I do want to say thank you for watching my video if you're out there watching it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell. Don't forget to go down into the comment section or, down below. I don't know what they call that thing down there. And get in. I think you have to register to get in the room, and then it's all free. All day long, it's free. So come on in. Love to have you tomorrow. Let's talk about some charts. Let's talk about some setups. Let's talk about some profits. I'll talk about my Road to Wealth account. I'll share with everything I can share with that. Answer any questions, anything at all. Very open book on that. Very transparent on that. And let's do it, okay? I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks, everybody. Appreciate it.